Hey, this is Chad again with Cobi Toys. And on the desk today, we have another exciting new addition to the Armed Forces line, the AH-64 Apache attack helicopter. 510 pieces and has a bunch of the new olive drab pieces, as well as some pretty good looking pad printings, it looks like. Along with the new CH-47, the Apache shows some really new thoughtful design elements in it too. It's a good looking modern helicopter. There's some great playability here too, it looks like. Some cool features like the opening cockpit, the landing gears, and obviously the spinning rotors. And the scale is great for play value as well at 1/48. Looks like it's about 15 inches long, 14 inches blade to blade, just about right for the young builders who want to go out on attack missions. So let's open the Apache up and see what the contents of the box look like. These boxes are shiny. Okay, so here they are. 2 bags, 510 pieces, and another nice thick instruction book. Again, a lot of variety of pieces here, and some highly detailed pieces like the missiles and that custom canopy with a really nice pad print on it. Looking forward to seeing the little Haffy pilots in this set too. Because of the scale, the regular figures can't fit, so the Apache gets some custom little pilots that are only heads and like downsized torsos. The Apache 2 looks like a pretty intermediate build as well, with a pretty good piece count at 510 and some really detailed sections like on the nose and the cockpit. Obviously, no problem for the young builders, and probably brings some nice nuance and details to the table for the collectors. So let's check this thing out in its completed and mission ready form. Okay, so here it is, the completed Apache. A really solid, stylish, and detailed build. Again, like the Chinook, the AH-64 is a very unique design for Cobi, and the result is a very photorealistic helicopter with a lot of fun features. And the size is good too. It's pretty eye-catching and will obviously make a great display piece wherever you end up putting it in your collection. And nice rotor action, as you can see, and the cockpit opens as well. Fans of modern aviation and definitely fans of the Armed Forces line should definitely check out the new Apache. It's a nice blend of solid photorealism and building block fun at the same time. And it's also a can't miss for those who want to play with an American attack helicopter. It doesn't matter what age you are. If you like seeing the newest sets and want to see more, consider shelling that like button, subscribing. We'd really appreciate it. So find yourself an Apache helicopter, take it for a sortie, and as always, keep building Cobi.